website. And this is what you need to do. You need to ask the support for an IC website template. They give you a link to a form that you need to fill that authorize you to build that website. And then after you have filled, you get the link to download the template. You can do that. You don't necessarily need to do. You can decide after we have gone through what I show you if you want to try to install your own template. But I'm now going to stamp out of my PowerPoint and share my computer screen.
Is the IC website template package we need to ask for?
Yeah, they want you to kind of sign off on some releases on before they let you to use, so that you don't use it for wrong purposes and you stick with the standards that they've set up and so on.
Okay.
So
they will not discontinue the IC profile, right?
No, they don't discontinue it. No.
Aren't those the same thing? The profile and the IC website?
No, the website is independent. It's outside. Your profile is within WSI world. The site is after 18 months. We have to move out of the IC profile and to have our own template.
Yeah.
Our own site, sorry.
I'm not understanding. I'm sorry. Can you repeat that?
Okay. Today, I think the three of us has what is called IC profile that is with your name. It's wsi.world./Poland, whatever. You can choose to put a domain to that one, but it still is hosted or is a kind of in the path of the WSI world. And when you check the links, you see all the logs from there. After 18 months of our training, we are requested to move to our own website, completely independent of WSI world.
The same domain name?
Well, it depends. If you have your name in your name, no, it cannot be. But I have my own, and I can keep my own domain later. Yes.
Wait. That I didn't understand. If right now it says, they told me I have to make it say WSI, and then I have mycompanyname.com. So in 18 months.
Okay, you're right. But you can build it in two ways. To have, yes, the domain will remain the same. The thing that domain is redirected to their particular, you have like a microsite there.
So
we can discuss it later.
Yeah, let's discuss that later on. What we get here is the complete independent website for you. Okay, let's take a look. I think this is...
Because the reason why I asked is I just made 500 business cards with my domain on it, and then now I'm going to do an independent site, or am I going to use the same
domain? It's going to be the same domain.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, you don't need to do new business cards. So I set up, I use WordPress engine. It's a hosting service for WordPress websites specifically. It's the best hosting service to my knowledge at the moment for WordPress websites. I set up number of...
Sorry, can you make your screens a little bit bigger for the people here who don't see too well?
You can see this?
Yeah, I can see it, but
it's
I cannot read it. Yeah, a little bit better, thank you.
Okay, yeah, it's a full screen on my screen here.
Okay.
So this is how a WSI website looks, the vanilla package after you implement the template that they give you. And this is where we need to start changing this to be our own. All content has to be rewritten for you, and nothing that is copied from the original can stay here. That's the content challenge. Pictures some of the pictures we can use that are here, but most of the pictures have watermarks, so that we need to replace them. But in the communication with you, they will tell you where to find the actual picture if you want to use the exact same picture in your own website. Like this has Shutterstock back there, and this has a Shutterstock down here. So how do we change the website and how we implement template? We could even implement a template on the background for one of the websites to you to get a feeling. But before doing anything that complicated, I'll just walk you through the interface. If you have logged in as a WordPress administrator on a website, you get this black bar showing up on the screen. And that bar is your gateway to the back end that you can start making changes. For example, if I want to make text changes to this page, all I need to do is click Edit Page, and then I will see this page on the back end of the.
Just so I'm clear, this is what you get when you ask the WSI World support for the template. They give you this access rights to administrator?
No, they just give you a zip file that has the template, and we need to implement that template to our website.
Oh, okay.
So
okay.
Yeah, so we need to have a WordPress installed first somewhere on a website, and then we implement that template on top of the WordPress on the site.
Do they use WordPress at WSI?
Yeah, the template that they give is WordPress.
Oh. Got it. Okay.
Yes. Yeah, keep on asking questions, because most of these things are so obvious to me that I don't remember to say them. So please ask these questions.
Thank you.
So you got, just to be on the same page, you are going to send us later the link to this site where you created for us, and we will do the exercise of deploying the template, or you will install it for us. How it's going to work?
Either way. So let me go.
Okay, let's go through what you are doing, and then we can talk later.
No, I want you to understand the concept. Let me go to user portal. Looks like it's not opening. I'm going to go here. Okay. Dashboard. What we are looking now is WordPress engine hosting site dashboard, and I have active client website here. This is my own. No, it's not. This is the website that you guys look. It's Cultivating Winners domain is built here with this name. You see it as a cultivated-winners.com, but in here I just look it as a WSI training. Now I've created 7 new websites. I see site 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In one that we looked earlier, I have already implemented a template. In 2 to 6, there's just basic vanilla WordPress installed. I can very easily copy this one that has WSI template and create a new one that is ready for you to start make changes. Or I can walk through today how to install a template in one of these, and then you can decide if you want to try to do that template implementation yourself, or if you want me to just copy and give you a WordPress that already has the template implemented. So
I would like to try.
Yeah. So this is Getroot's website, this IC site 2. We already I tested the user IDs and passwords for Getroot to work here. I'm going to log into her site that doesn't have template implemented. This is the backside of a regular WordPress before you install anything. If you look at this, there's always a theme. WordPress comes with a few themes and you can choose which one you want to use. So we have 2017, 2015, and 2016 those three come with WordPress, vanilla WordPress. And they have some pictures in here. So if I look at the scheduled site, it now looks like this. There's a big picture, and then there's some other content, hello world, and some kind of a list of events.
So you can only use that picture?
No, you can replace everything. This is how it comes from the package.
Got it.
Yeah. So to start changing a WordPress site, we need to go in dashboard. The background is called dashboard. And in here, in appearance, we have themes that we looked earlier. We can add a new theme here. But let me open instructions from Home Office that you will get if you download the package that they sent you. You will get a zip file that you open, and then you have instructions.